Slow mo daw
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oo. Namukha mo swords.
Yun yung siyasat kalis. Yun yung mga kalitarin.
Yung luma na siya sa kalis, dito lang sa dito. Yung luma, ano lang. Pero yung bago ngayon, kinaris ko siya. Tayo natin, sigurado tayo.
Okay, ito. Inspection arm ng kalis, ng sword. The command is siyasat kalis. Diba? Talikod lang. Letter A, letter B. The first execution is carry sword from carry sword. Place your right hand smartly to the position with the first away from in front of in line with your left shoulder, keeping the blade of the sword vertical. So una, ganun. Then, balik siya sa kaliwa. Dito kasi yung picture. May picture kasi dito. Yun ang sinusundan ko. Ano yun? On the second count, bring the sword to the right side, keeping your right upper arm as close as possible to the body, holding the sword vertical to the ground, with the guard of the sword in line with the shoulder. So yung pag-ikot, yun yung point ng sa ground yung sinusundan ko kasi yung manual yung sa picture ba? Yun ang pinagkaiba, yung mayroon siyang ganito, grace. Ang nagbago, siyasat kalis, pati na yung tigas pahinga. Tigas pahinga. Okay. Press with the sword. Una, parade dress. Execute normally from order sword. If executed carry sword, execute order sword first before going to parade dress.
RQ. Pa-shout out kay El Bombay.
Executed from order sword to the. It is one count movement. On the command of execution, pahinga. Note the left foot and arm as executed with arm with a rifle.